Self-adhesive labels are used in a wide range of industries, from health and beauty, food, beverage, wine and spirits, to pharma, durables, and chemicals. Now, all these different industries and end-use applications have different requirements, so there's no one-size-fits-all technology. Let's take a closer look at self-adhesive labels for the pharma industry. Few industries are regulated as much as the pharmaceutical sector. Even alterations to the labels and packaging may require requalification. So you'll want to be able to print on any substrate the brand owner has previously certified, mostly conventional label stock, and preferably without having to prime it first. In this business, brand colors are taken seriously, and even the best possible color conversion just won't do. You'll also need a high resolution of, say, 1200 dpi to be able to print the finest details and the smallest of prints. But accurate brand colors and fine details, such as microtext and galoshes, are not enough to protect against counterfeiting. So, being able to include more sophisticated security features such as tagant and UV reflective details is a must. And last but not least, no matter how long pharmaceutical products are sitting on the shelves or kept in cupboards, their labels shouldn't fade. Meeting all these requirements is no mean feat, but one technology stands out from the others. For light, fast pharmaceutical labels printed on conventional, certified label stock, without the hassle of priming first, with accurate brand colors, minute details, and plenty of other features to protect their authenticity, Xeikon recommends dry toner. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all technology, but we can advise you on the best fit for your applications.